Hey, this is Dave from Unipro, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money using Facebook in 2023. And this strategy works really well for anyone using Facebook, whether you're a beginner or you're advanced, you've already got a business. It works well if you don't even have a product to sell, or maybe you have a product to sell, but you're not maximizing sales through this product. So the strategy works for anyone, and I'm going to prove it to you by making at least $500 from a single Facebook post. So let's dive in and take a look at the strategy. So here's the situation. You want to make money online, you're already on Facebook, but you don't know what you can sell through Facebook.
I don't know.
Or maybe you already have a product. Maybe you have a course or a service or some sort of coaching program, but selling it just isn't working as well as you'd like, and making money isn't happening as fast as you'd like. And I get it. I've been there before as well. Doing all the stuff, creating all the content, generating leads, doing all the conversations, DMing people. You're doing all that stuff, but it's just not leading to sales. And it's really hard to be an entrepreneur, to do all the things that an entrepreneur needs to do when the sales aren't coming in. Again, I get it. I've been there before. And so you need a way to pay the bills. You're looking to make some money quickly. Well, that's what this video is all about. And we're going to dive into something called affiliate marketing. And if you've ever heard about affiliate marketing before and you're thinking, Dave, affiliate marketing is not for me.
No, it's really not for me.
Just pause, just stay with me here because I'm going to be showing you a different way to do affiliate marketing. So if you've never heard of affiliate marketing simply means that you're working with someone else. You're doing a partnership with someone else. And that other person has a product or service that does sell well. And you're taking your audience, or you're going out on Facebook in this case, and you're going to promote that other person's product or service, and you get a commission for every sale that comes through your network. Maybe that sounds complicated, but I'm going to break it down and make it very easy for you. But I want to be really clear. If you've heard about affiliate marketing before, we're not going to be doing what most affiliate marketers do. And I'm going to show you what most affiliate marketers do is they go over to a site, something like this. I'm on clickbank.com. And maybe you've heard about this before, but basically clickbank.com is a place where all kinds of business owners can put their products and services, and then people who want to become an affiliate for them can sign up and sell those products and services on their behalf and collect an affiliate commission. And maybe that sounds great, and you can definitely search on YouTube and see lots of videos where people are telling you this is the way you can make money, is that you can go and sign up on ClickBank and then choose some different products and services and start selling those through Facebook or whatever social platform, and you're gonna make lots of money. But there's a problem, and there's a reason why I'm going to tell you, please do not do this, and I'll show you why. I'm on a page here. This is by ClickBank itself, and it says these are the top products in January of 2023. And I want to just see how you feel about these products, and imagine yourself going out and selling these products. So the first one is called Diamond Trump Bucks. And I don't know exactly what this is, but just judging by this picture, it looks like some sort of Donald Trump dollar, perhaps. I don't know exactly what that is. Let's go take a look at the second one. It's called Revive Daily. And as you read the description of this, you'll see that it's some sort of pill, some sort of medication that helps you feel younger, healthy sleep, anti-aging, weight loss. Let's take a look at the next one. This is Alpi Lean, another dietary supplement, weight loss supplement. And as you go through here, you're going to notice a lot of these are very similar. In my opinion, they're scammy, low quality products that are basically going out and trying to take people's money and not giving them a good result. So again, I don't know about you. I wouldn't feel good about selling products like this, and ClickBank is loaded with products like this that I would say are scam.
You know that's a scam.
I don't want you to go down that road. When you start selling stuff like this, not only does it not feel good, you're not helping anyone, but you're also alienating your audience. People who buy this sort of stuff from you, they're not going to be repeat customers. They're going to realize that you're just out to make a quick buck, and they're not going to want to buy anything from you in the future. We don't want that. We want to preserve your relationship with your audience. Well, I'm going to lead you through that right now, and there are 5 steps that you need to take. The first step is figuring out, what does your audience want? So I love Facebook. I do all my marketing through Facebook. And the first thing that you want to do is think about, if you're using Facebook, the people who are in your personal network. So either they're friends of yours, or maybe they're in a Facebook group that you run. These people, what do they want? I'll give you an example. For me, my audience are business owners, and they want more sales. They want more customers. They want more clients. Maybe for you, maybe you're a fitness coach and your audience wants to lose weight. Maybe you're a mom and your audience wants to be better moms. They want to learn how to parent better. So think about what your audience wants. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is to discover who in your network has a solution that you can provide to your audience. Let me show you how to do this. So I'm going to go over to Facebook search, and I'm going to look through my existing network and see who might have an offer that could help my audience. So in this case, I'm going to type in business coach. And then here's what you can do as well. As you go down to people, you want to filter by people, and you want to filter by your friends. And check this out, very powerful here. I get a list of all the people in my existing personal network who are business coaches. Really powerful, right? A lot of these people might have a product or service that can help my audience. And you can do the exact same thing. Let me give you another example here. Imagine that your audience is full of people who are looking to get in better shape. You could type in fitness coach and see who in your network. So again, by filtering by people and then filtering by your friends, who's in your existing network who might have a product or service that your audience could benefit from. And again, I scroll through here and I see that I've got all these people who are fitness coaches. Let me show you another example. Imagine that I type in sales here and I'm gonna go down to people. And again, I'm going to filter by my friends. And what this is going to do, Facebook's going to pull up all the people who are in the sales industry. They either teach selling or they've got some sort of product or they help provide salespeople to business owners. And so I can scroll through here and look at people who might be able to provide a product or service that would help my audience. Let me do one more example for you. I could type in agency and this will pull up agency owners. I'm going to go down to people here. And I'm going to go to my friends and I'm going to go and take a look here. This will pull up people on my network, Facebook network, who have some sort of agency. So maybe they have an advertising agency or again, maybe they have a sales agency. And so you can think about what would you need to search that would pull up people in your existing network who might have a product or service that would serve well the people who are in your network. Now you might think, well, Dave, am I not just advertising to my competitors? Here's the important trick. Think about what you're providing. Maybe you already have a product or a service. In my case, we have a software. We have a software that does Facebook marketing automatically. Now, am I going to go out and promote someone else who's selling some sort of marketing software? No, probably not. But the example that I showed you where I searched for business coaches, I don't provide business coaching. And so for me to provide an offer for business coaching to my audience when I know they're trying to build their business, that's not a conflict at all. I'm not promoting one of my competitors. I'm promoting someone who has a product or service that actually might be complementary to what I have to offer. So for you, imagine you're providing coaching services. Maybe there's someone in your network who provides a product. Maybe there's someone in your network who provides events. Maybe there's someone in your network who provides some other sort of networking opportunity, things, products, and services that aren't direct competitors of what you have to offer. So now I've got a list. I'm going to go back here and I'm just going to type in the business coach example. Again, I don't sell business coaching. And so the business coaches in my network might have offers that would benefit my audience and they're not direct competitors. So that's step number 2. Step number 1 was identifying the people in your network. What do they want? Step number 2 is to find people in your network who might be providing non-competing products and services that could help your audience. That's step number 2. Now, step number 3 is simply to reach out to some of these people who might have that product or service that your audience would benefit from and send them a DM, a direct message, to see if they have some sort of affiliate offer. And I'll give you a script. Here's the script that I would use. It would say something like this. It would say, hey, and then I'd insert the person's name. Say, I saw your profile on Facebook and I saw that you're and then fill in the blank. You're a sales coach. You're an agency owner. You're a weight loss specialist, whatever it is that their profession is. Fill that in. And I thought my audience probably could benefit from learning more about what you have to offer. So think about the person who you're messaging. They're going to love this. Someone's messaging them saying, hey, I want to help promote your business. I want to help grow your business. They're going to be excited. Here's the question I'd ask them. I'd say, do you happen to have an affiliate program? I'd love to check it out. Now at this point, one of two things is going to happen. Either that person's going to receive that message and they don't have an affiliate program and they'll say, hey, thanks for reaching out. I don't have any affiliate program right now, but I appreciate you offering. Cool. Now you move on. Or they're going to come back and they're going to say, hey, I love the fact that you reached out. Yeah, I have an affiliate offer. Here's what it is. And they're going to send you details about their offer, whether it be a coaching program, an event, a product, a service, whatever it is. And then you can take a look at that affiliate offer and judge, would my audience actually benefit from this? You can also see the offer and say, is this competing with what I sell? If it's competing with what I sell, obviously I'm not going to promote it to my audience. But if it's complementary, now I can promote it to my audience and I don't have to worry about them being a competitor. So that's step number 3, is to reach out to people in your network, get their affiliate offer and get their permission to promote their product or service on their behalf. And here's the neat thing. When we go back to ClickBank here and we take a look at these products, everyone who's an affiliate marketer is going to ClickBank because this is such a popular and old way of doing things. Everyone's going here and seeing these exact same offers. And so if you started promoting one of these offers, you're going to be promoting it against hundreds, maybe even thousands of other people who are promoting the exact same thing. But when you do the process that we just looked at, you're going to your personal network and you're finding affiliate offers that aren't widely publicized. And so you're getting very special offers that your audience probably hasn't heard of before. Very powerful. I'll show you how this is going to help you make money in just a second. Step number 4, now that you have an affiliate offer, is to make one single Facebook post about it. Let me show you an example. Remember I told you I was going to prove that this works? Here's the one single post that I made about an affiliate offer from a friend in my Facebook network. And again, this is an affiliate offer that isn't highly publicized, so it's very unique. My audience is getting service they probably haven't heard of before. And in this case, I found someone in my network who's providing an event. I don't run events. They're providing events that help entrepreneurs build their business. Listen to what it says. How to make sales when you have a small audience. And there's a little bit of copy here. It's a launch your offer challenge. And so this was a live 5-day free event. Again, it's not competing with what I offer. And so I can promote this to my audience, knowing that it's going to benefit them without taking away my customers, my clients. And so I put a little description of what the benefits are of joining this event. And then I put my affiliate link. Now watch what happens here. When my audience clicks on this, they're taken over to a sales page, a registration page. And here's where they can learn more about the event, how they're going to benefit from it, and then they can sign up. Now the neat thing is when people click on this link, they're tracked as my referral. So my friends in this case who are running this event, they know that when people sign up through my affiliate link, that those people came from me. And then if those people end up making a purchase down the road, I get credit. And we're going to take a look at that in just a second. Now, where do you make this post? In my case, you'll see that I put this inside of one of my Facebook groups. It's called Audience and Influence. And you can do that as well. If you've got a Facebook group, this is a great place to promote affiliate offers. The other place you could do it, maybe you don't have a Facebook group yet, and that's okay. You can also do it on your personal profile because chances are you probably have dozens or hundreds or maybe even thousands of people in your personal audience who would benefit from this affiliate offer. And so that's a powerful place to create the post advertising this affiliate offer. But I encourage you, don't stop there because step number 5 is to make sure everyone in your network knows about this affiliate offer. And so what are some ways that you could do that? Well, you could send out direct messages. So you could send DMs to people in your network, either they're members of your Facebook group or maybe they're friends of yours on Facebook, directing them back to this post. So you could simply go and I could right click on this. You'll see there's a timestamp here. I can right click on this and I'm going to copy the link address. And I'll just show you what happens when I paste that into a browser. It's going to take people right back to that post that I made that talks about the affiliate offer. And so what you could do is you could go and send DMs, direct messages, through Facebook Messenger to people in your network, your friends on Facebook who might be interested in this. Simply send them a message and say, hey, I don't know if you saw my post, but I thought of you, thought this might be something you're interested in. And now you're going to start driving traffic back to that post so that people can click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase or sign up or register through your affiliate link. So that's one way to do it, through direct messaging. Another way to do it is by tagging people. So I'm going to scroll down here and I could, in the comments of this, I could tag people. So for example, if I thought that Lucy would be interested in this, I could tag Lucy and I could say, Lucy, I thought you might be interested in this. What do you think? And now I'm driving traffic again back to this post. So there's more likelihood that people are going to sign up through my affiliate link. Another thing you can do is you could use, if you're doing this inside of a Facebook group, you could use the @everyone tag. So it looks something like this. And some Facebook groups allow you to tag everyone in the group all at once using the @everyone tag. Another way to do it is you can use @ and then type in the name of your Facebook group. So I could type in Audience and Influence, and that's going to send out a notification to the people who are part of this group, letting them know there's a post that Dave tagged them on. Now they're going to go back, they're going to take a look at this, they're going to read the post here, and they're going to say, hey, I'd benefit from this. They're going to click on the link and now they're my referral. You can see there's lots of ways built right into Facebook how you can get more people seeing an affiliate offer that you're promoting. I'm going to show you one more way, and this is actually my personal favorite way to get people to see affiliate offers that I'm promoting. I'm going to go over to an email campaign that I created, and I'll show you what the email actually said. So I sent out this email to one of my email lists. This is all it said. Notice how short this is. It's so simple to do. I simply said, if you have a relatively small audience, you might be interested in this event designed to help you launch your next offer and make some online sales. It's free, and that's it. And this is called Small Audience. And when someone clicks on this, where does it take them? Well, it takes them right back to that Facebook post that we just looked at here. And you can see, and they're going to be able to take a look at all the details and click on my affiliate link and then sign up through my link. Now you might think, well, Dave, I don't have much of an email list, or I don't have any email list at all. I'm going to show you something here. Let's go back and take a look at the statistics of this particular email, because I want to show you something. I'm using a very small email list. So in this case, you'll see it was sent to 1,472 people. And in this case, 638 people opened that email and 87 people clicked on it. So it's not huge numbers, but I'm going to take you over and show what happened revenue-wise, how I actually earn money through this process. So up until this point, all I did was figure out what my audience wants. I found people in my network who are providing something that would benefit my audience. I reached out and got permission to promote their offer through an affiliate link. Then I made one single Facebook post. That's step number 4. And step number 5, I just made sure that my audience was aware of that offer. And here's the result. I'm going to go over to a dashboard that tracks all the affiliate sales that are coming in from this particular offer. And I'll actually show you payouts first. Let's go here first. And you can see these are the payouts that I got from that one single post. So right now it's about $500. And when I go back to the dashboard, there's $466 that are still unpaid. So in total, that one single post and a 1-paragraph email going to a very small email list made over $1,000 in affiliate commissions. Pretty cool, right? And it all comes down to these 5 steps. And if I had to summarize these, here are your big takeaways. Number 1, you need to know what your audience wants. What does your audience need? Number 2, you need to go to your network and see who has an exciting, a juicy affiliate offer that probably not a lot of people have heard of before. Because then you can promote it knowing that you're not promoting the same thing that all the other affiliate marketers out there are promoting. And then number 3, you just simply need to make sure that your network knows about the affiliate offer. That's it, as simple as that. I'm going to tell you a little inside secret. You probably heard me talk about Unipro. Unipro is the marketing software that we offer that helps you do all of your Facebook marketing automatically. It finds leads, it nurtures those leads, and it sells for you all through Facebook, all automatically. And we love affiliate marketing so much, we love the process that I just described to you, that we also run an affiliate program for Unipro. And I'm going to show you something pretty cool here. I'm going to go over into our Unipro Facebook group, and our Unipro users, they get an affiliate link where they can do the exact steps that I just showed you, sharing it with their network. It's a software. It's probably not competing with what they're already offering through their own business. And so when they tell their networks about Unipro and people click their link and come through and join us in Unipro, they get paid. And this is really exciting. You'll see, I made a post here. This happens every single month. Make a post to our Unipro users telling them how much we just paid out in commissions. And this last one, we paid almost $7,000 in commissions. Every month, we're giving between $5,000 and $10,000 in commissions because people are following the same process that I just showed you, promoting our Unipro software. So I show you this because I just want you to see I'm a big believer in promoting other people's great products and services, as well as giving people an opportunity to promote our products and services that could potentially help your network. So if you're interested in learning more about Unipro and how you can use it to build up your audience on Facebook, how you can use it to get leads, how you can use it to nurture your leads and make sales, and if you're interested in becoming an affiliate, you can promote Unipro and we can pay you on a monthly basis, simply go to unipro.com. All the details are there. So that's what I've got for you in today's video. If this was helpful, give this video a like. If you have any comments or questions about the strategies we just went through, definitely leave those below. I'm happy to help out. If you haven't yet checked out Unipro, you got to check it out. Really, it's been a game changer for us, and I know it will be for you and your business as well. Simply go to unipro.com. I know you're going to love it. That's what I got for you today in this video. Can't wait to see you in the next video.